Hello, welcome to Much Told on Quite an Explosion. There's many different ways you can do this. One you can do by only exposure specialist, asking them to set up a scene and do explosion. Here's an example here. We'll have a look at it to be very quick. As you saw, car. Couldn't do it much better than that. And there's also the choice of using stock footage. You could type in, I'll show you this one first. Accent essentials to a high-end question. A pre-keyed elements. Really good, outstanding. I use this all the time, it's that good. It's got war hits, exposures, all sorts, it's that good. I studied with him again, it's really useful. Or if you got the money at the time, it's that. If you go to like YouTube, type in explosion effects. You see we go on these different ones. That is a pack here. See that one says explosion effect. Watch one, find the one that I like. I absolutely like this one. So I copied it to do how at the top. We're going to hit copy. And there's all sorts. Such for example, this one. There's another one. Well, to get the gist. Now if you then go to search, I can type in keep vid. Just replace the link here. Then press download. This requires Java, so you need Java. Guess what? I have not got Java installed. So I will be back once I got it installed. Couldn't keep it. The paste. Press download. Then it will load the Java. It will 100%. You press 1 when prompted, then tick the bash always. It will let me download it. But it's not working at the moment. Two people watch it. I have downloaded the exposure file at last. That's one that I am going to be using. We're going to have to get rid of this black. To do this, next we jump back into After Effects, grab our lighthouse, make a new composition. Next we go and navigate to our file, eject into our project window. Then we jerk it, we shine that position where we want it to be. Why am I going to Bono? Let's send Bono up this lighthouse. No, we'll see, we've got this harsh edge at the bottom. Quick way again with that, take the pen tool. Draw a mask around it. Then press F and start to feather it a bit. No, change edge subject, so we're seeing that end instead, and we're gonna soft edge now. That's what's up about. Come around here. Then if you want to like get the wax in front, press Control D. Then you jerk it above, see if it was above. Then what we'll do is go ahead and do then. Let's come around here. Try to do this. Now see we got this mask. So that is not in front of the camera, however see they're not very realistic. That's just we're going to need to feather it. Make it blend a bit better. That's about feather 3 pixels. Then if we preview this, these are highly quality files. And that's how they basically do exposure. Like so. However, it don't seem to blend to the scene that well, does it? So if we go to new adjustment layer, this is only a basic exposure we do, by the way. We're not doing an advanced one. Let's go to color correction. By the way, that might be over here. I check mine over it. Let's go to color correction curves. Start that. Bring it down a bit. Try and match the scene a bit. The wedge look a bit too bright, so bring the wedge down a bit. Actually, I like it. So if we go before the adjustment there, we see that didn't look very good. Just trying to look a bit better. Look into a bit, and then we do the same again, but color correction curves. Too bright, it seems, for the shape. So. But here, let's go to camera and come to work area. We've got a very basic explosion. That's how to make an explosion.